Welcome back to another business courses. Today I want to start a very important and practical lesson. So if you are a new member, don't forget to smack on subscribe and touch the bell because this is the only way you can receive the unique business lessons and get started with me. Do it now. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to the first lesson of supply chain management course. If you're watching me on YouTube platform, as you know, there are no costs to you other than your time for being in this study. So, due to the importance of your time, I try to provide all courses by practical and useful data and divide that lessons into the short videos. So, let's have a quick review on future lesson titles. Yes, let's talk about our study plan, then talking about supply chain management and have a small introduction for future lessons. Okay, let's continue on the screen. Generally, this course is divided into two sections, two parts. Part 1 that includes the supply chain process, and second part that is about working with Excel software. There are many applications and software for supply chain managers, but we have a review on titles in Excel space, and then you can work with all types of software. Well, need to say something. If you need this list, a titles list, you can take a photo, a screenshot, okay? And just make a point here, and I don't read all titles because for now I just want to share titles with you, okay? We're supposed to have only quick review, so in the first video what we learn is about supply chain concepts. Please have a look at titles. And second lesson, second video, it's about planning and procurement. Here we talk about planning and strategy in this process. You can have a look at titles that we will talk about in the second video. Today we have a introduction video, and next video will be our first lesson. And about third video, manufacturing and services. During this lesson we want to have a look at manufacture process, making decision and maintenance. As you see here, we have a third lesson titles. And next lesson, number 4, warehousing operations, storage, picking and packing and shipment process. This is one of the most important lesson that we will talk about it in the future days. And number 5 lesson, transportations is our 5 lesson. This is very important, and I have a plan to talk more about shipment, and maybe we have a separate course for this title in future months. All types of shipments and transportation. And the last lesson, number 6, we have an overview on what we learn, and then I want to update our lessons with new technology and latest knowledge, as well as we have some compare between supply chain and same topic. Okay. Number 7, that it's about Excel software. Using Excel for supply chain management is ideal because it allows you to keep tabular data, which can be used as a database by using VBA code. If you don't know anything about VBA, it's not a problem because we'll talk about it in details. Additionally, Excel has a very advanced filtering system that allows different data to be selected from a wide range of tabular data. Okay, we had a review on our plan for this course in 8 slide. So let's have a small and short introduction before beginning of our first video, that it will be the next video. Okay, so as an introduction, a supply chain is a network of people, process, resources, and technologies in an organization that work collectively to produce products and services for an end user or customers. Network of individual functions within an organization that begins with the development of a strategic plan and ends with the delivery of a product or services. Those functions are listed below. It is explored in subsequent learning blocks. Okay. Demand planning, supply management and procurement, inventory management, warehousing operation, manufacturing and service operation, transportation operations, customer services operations. If you remember, we had review on these titles in previous slides. So we can say supply chain manager is a person who knows 0 to 100 of product operations process and able to manage these processes. So we can say supply chain manager is a person. So during this course, we tried to have a review on this process, and as I said, we will have a practice on Excel software. Finally, you will be able to understand process and work with supply chain management tools and software. So if you would like to join me, don't forget to click on subscribe button and bell. Of course, if you are new viewer, new member, So you can ask me a question in comment sections, and now if you are ready, let's go to start supply chain management course.